We're going to paint by both using gouache and watercolors. So here I have my ceramic palette from the art supplies, and I have stretched my paper, and I'm about to start the orange shades from the Allegro palette, and I'm also going to use the yellow ochre. And we're starting with a thin layer. I'm using the number 10 round brush from the Black Tulip set from the art supplies. So this is a pumpkin I did yesterday for our TikTok. If you have TikTok, it's good to check out the art supplies because we're now on TikTok and we're going to have a few short tutorials, and I think it'll be a lot of fun. So here I have like both the Allegro and the ceramic palette, and I am working on mixing colors from both. And now we need some more detail. Any thoughts on what you want to be for Halloween? I haven't really figured out my costume yet, but I'm very enthusiastic. Because this year we didn't really get to do anything. So, because of the quarantine, and I always love to dress up for Halloween, so So now our pumpkin is starting to have some volume. And in a little bit, we're going to add a few highlights. So I'm going to add a few more details. I'm just going to let it dry, and in the meantime we're going to paint our stock. So I'm just taking some bed on the side. Looks nice. And I'm going to add a few more embellishments, and I'm going to take my wrinkle brush. Here I have like my brushes. Those are the fine line miniature brushes from the art supplies, and they're all very useful, and you can use them with all mediums. You can use them with watercolors, you can use them with oil, and you can use them with acrylic. Just be careful when you brush them so they won't be ruined from acrylics, and you can have them black for a very long time. So this is it. This is what we made today.